Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Ethereum has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, RSI and divergence are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. If we look at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price went up only slightly with around 1.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 3,121. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 3,114, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 3,143 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is in the hourly ribbon, so it is to see if the price can break the resistance currently at around 3,147. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 49. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there is a bullish divergence, which means we can expect the price going up or at least to remain stable for some time. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 3,075, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 3,150 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 3,184. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 43, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 2,601, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 3,176 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the daily ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 2,780. The support should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 55, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the daily time frame, there is a bearish divergence, which means the price could go down from now or at least consolidate for some time. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.